my name is Mike, and this is Hiking with Mike, and I am so glad that you decided to join me. This has been a beautiful spring so far. Summer is less than a month away, and eventually the temperatures are going to go up, and it's going to be uncomfortable to go hiking on those summer days. Sometimes you're sweating your butt off, but right now it is perfect. The temperatures are perfect, there's a nice cool breeze, and it smells great outside. And today we are going on another fantastic hike, and it's just going to be beautiful and lovely, and you get to watch it in stunning 4K. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike, and what I do is point of view 4K hiking videos, where you get to see what I see as I hike those hiking trails. And I've been hiking for most of my life, but I started doing it every day about 2 years ago, maybe even 3 years ago now, for exercise. And I would take 30 to 40 minutes a day in the morning just to get some exercise in. And it has been great. It really helps my day, and I just love it. But it's also a great time to reflect. You know, think about your life. Think about decisions you have to make, or if you're stuck, or you just need to escape your daily grind. I always find that I am at my best when I'm outside in nature. Even if I'm having a bad day, I go outside, everything just feels better. I can feel that connection to life itself, or maybe a better way to put it is life force. You know, the life force that's there, and how we're connected to everything. We're connected to those birds, the raccoons, the wolves, the coyotes, the deer, every leaf, every blade of grass, the dirt, the ground, the rocks. We're all connected. All of us are connected to each other. Also, if you like to pray to God, when you are hiking, that is a great time to do so. Because when you are doing something that involves a lot of energy, and you're getting your energy going and your spirits going, and you're in a better mood, and it's all going, your prayer can become more powerful. You know, because the energy field around you is becoming more powerful. So that is another thing that's great about hiking. It's something you can do. Now, a lot of people who don't really hike on a regular basis might think, oh, you're just walking around in the forest and you're looking at trees and it's boring and all that. But it's all about perspective. It's how you look at things and how you feel things. You know, if you take the time out to appreciate what's all around you, like while you're hiking, stop and look at the wildflowers that are growing. Or just stand there in the middle of the forest and look up. Just look up and listen to the sounds of what's around you. Feel the breeze blowing and just look at the sky through those trees. Sometimes just stop and touch a tree. I'm not saying hug a tree like a tree hugger. No, I'm not talking about that. But I mean, just stand near a tree, put your hand on it, and it's like you're just plugging into an electrical outlet. But this time you're doing it to nature itself and Earth itself. I always believe that you should always stop and enjoy what's around you. I love to go to places that have water, whether it's a lake, a river, or a stream. I don't know what it is. There's just something about it. It relaxes me. It brings peace to me. That's why I also love going to the beach. I love sitting on the beach and listening to the ocean and watching those waves crash. I highly recommend that everybody should go on a hike once in a while. Just get out there. It's not a big deal. It doesn't have to be a big deal. You don't need to go wear, special hiking gear and make sure that you're all prepared and you got a walking stick or any of that. Just go somewhere for 10 minutes. Go on some nearby hiking trail where you live and just appreciate it. And watch what it does for you and how it nourishes your soul. So that is what we do here. We head out onto the hiking trail and get some beautiful footage through my point of view, so you get to watch it as if you are here, because I know that sometimes you can't get out on the trail. Maybe you're living in the city, or There's nothing near you, or maybe you're at work and you're just trapped. And so this is a great way for you to escape. And do it through my point of view. And I use a GoPro camera strapped to my hat, so you get to see what I see as I see it, and you get to watch it in stunning 4K. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribing helps the channel grow. It tells YouTube that people are interested in this kind of content, and more people will watch the videos and hopefully subscribe. Also, if you enjoy the video, give it a like. I would really enjoy it if you would give it a nice, good old like. Finally, I have one last thing to do, and that is a shameless plug. And that is where I plug something that I have created shamelessly. Yep, my own merch. So now I present to you a shameless plug. This is Mike with a shameless plug for my own website. I actually have a few websites, but today I would like to introduce you to MikeMburkeDesigns.com. If you're looking for cool items to add to your home, give as a gift, we got Christmas, you've got birthdays, there are plenty of things to choose from here at MikeMburkeDesigns.com. A lot of these items are designed for the home. We have beautiful items for your bedroom, for your living room, all kinds of different themes. So check out MikeMburkeDesigns.com and order today. And there's my shameless plug. And there you go. So I like to do multiple videos a week, and one type of video I do is I'll tell you some kind of story as we go on the hike. It could be an inspirational story, something motivational. It can be a funny, humorous story. It could be a story to help guide you, or even a horror story. But the other video I like to do is a sights and sound video, and that is where I don't say anything at all, and I let you enjoy the sounds of what's around me. So it truly does feel like you are actually here on this hike. And that is what we are going to do today. This is a sights and sound video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.